Jamaica Citizens Guide shows you important procedures on how to do things in Jamaica. In this video, I will be showing you how to apply for your police record. But before going into that procedure, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe so you can know when we post new videos. To apply for your police record, here are the requirements. First, pay for the police record at any tax office island-wide and collect the payment receipt. Along with the payment receipt, you will need to have a TRN, a valid identification, and 2 passport-size photographs. In the event you do not have a TRN, payment must be made at the Jamaica Constabulary Finance Branch, ground floor, NCB North Tower 2, Oxford Road, Kingston 5. The receipt you get from here must accompany the documents you will bring in. So you will need a payment receipt, TRN, valid identification, and 2 passport-size photographs. Bring all of these documents to one of the following locations where you will be interviewed and fingerprinted.